Hey everybody, I just got a day off today. Looks like maybe tomorrow as well. So I decided I would get out here and get some scrapping done. I'm going to, I don't know, it's supposed to be very rainy and I guess we'll be shut down mostly throughout the rain. So I got a bunch of errands done this morning. Now I'm here this afternoon. I'm going to scrap a CoolSat 5,000 platinum. Well, let's hope there's platinum. Doesn't look like it so far. This is the CoolSat. It's just a satellite receiver of some sort. I've never seen the CoolSat one, I don't think, but digital satellite receiver, model number CoolSat 5000 platinum. You know it's good if it's platinum. I do see a little bit of gold in those pins, some brass. So far, that's it. Let's go see what's inside. All right, so we're in here now. Not much to report. Some wires, low-grade power board. What I'm guessing is a low peripheral. I'll get it out of there and see if there's anything on the bottom, but to me that doesn't look too promising. I don't know. A board person might know better, but to me I would say low. So I will probably just cut those chips off and call her a day. Oh, I'll get the aluminum and anything else of value, but mainly that sucker right there. Yeah, nothing on the bottom of it. So I've just been cleaning all the brass off, and then yeah, I don't know. There's that chip and a small crystal oscillator in there. A little tiny chip in there. Zoom in there. Focus, I mean. A little bit of junk. Another oscillator there. Yeah. I don't know. You know me. I'm not an e-waste guy, but some gold pins for the Irish pill bottle. Couple of MOSFETs. And then the rest of that brass I gotta get off of there. Okay, so yeah, I broke all that other stuff off of there. I'll pull those two little, or I guess three. I don't know what that is. But I don't even know if I should take those off. No, I'll just remove all the rest of that little brass. I got, I don't know. Anyhow, what was in this? There's the gold pins. There was that board. This board. This wire. And then there was this little bit of wire there. And no, that's not from that. Yeah. And then also I had found this shelf. I don't know where it came from. When we were cleaning up the yard the weekend before last, I found it and I put it in the greenhouse. And then I was like, you know what? I'll just throw that in the shed because, like, I can just start setting stuff on the shelf rather than it laying on the floor. While I was trying to get the shelf in there, all that stuff fell over. So now I got to go clean it all up. But I got to figure out a way, too, to attach it to the wall. I'm thinking about magnets. Like, I've got these magnets kind of holding tools and stuff up. I've got a whole bunch of more magnetrons to do. I don't know where. Somewhere. There's one. I don't know. I had a whole bunch somewhere. Oh, there's a few in there. They're all over the place. Plus, I have a bunch of more microwaves. Magnets already off of those ones. But yeah, so I'm thinking I will just I don't know. I was gonna say I could just stick a magnet on it around each post with a wire or something, and then just to kind of keep it there. It's not too bad, but you can see it's kind of out more at the top than it is at the bottom, maybe. A little stability wouldn't hurt. I don't want to drill too many holes in the side is the thing, so I don't know. I guess I don't want to put it into the corner because I think that leaks there a bit. And then I've got this torch on roof stuff. I'm wondering if I could just torch that on. Oh yeah, that's my CB antennas. Just trying to get them out of the way. I jammed myself in the face with it. Yeah, I'm just wondering if I can torch that onto the top and seal the whole roof in. Although that will make it get pretty hot in the summer, I guess, with the black roof. But I think it's dark blue anyhow, so is it going to be that big of a difference? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to start. I got my belts. Like every time I get a good belt, I hang it up. I got all this good cord. This one I'm going to use on the trailer. I think it's the 4 conductor. Let me see. No, that's 3 conductor. Maybe this one is. Yeah, that's 4 conductor. So I'll use this on the trailer, but there's quite a lot of it there. And then I got a couple of extension cords running into here. I'm hoping, I've probably already mentioned this, but that line going to the building, I'm going to see if I can put a mast on here. I was told that a 10-foot mast should be fine, and then string the line right to here, put the 200 amp panel inside there, and then I don't have to put any power into this building, which is good because I don't really want any more reasons for it to burn down. It's like a tinderbox. But so I'll use that for storage still, and then work on it as I can. And then I'll have this. Of course, I'm going to have to put a pad in here. And then I think what I'll do is put the other C can here when it eventually comes. And then it'll be a 40-footer, so it'll come like out here. And then in there, I'll still have that 10 by 20. I'm assuming I've got enough room there. I'll put that 10 by 20 in there, and then people can, back in there and dump their stuff off. I'm hoping, I have a lot of hopes. I'm hoping that I'll be able to figure out some sort of a drop-off thing where even if the gates are shut at night, I wanted to have it like 24 hours open, but I don't think that's really going to work. Unless, I guess if I don't know why I'm doing this on video. If I just kind of cage this off in here, like this will all be gone. Cage that off, and then I can put all the different bins for recycling in there. And then people, just with a shorter fence. I'm just trying to figure out ways to keep it bear proof. Or just have it like cut. Have a wire fence that you can cut, and then people can put the stuff through the fence. And anyways, I don't know what this is going on. Oh man, so So much mess. But anyhow. Well, I got a light. Not much else done here. I got still working on moving stuff to the shelf, and I just figured I would put this thing up. I got the extension cord running out here, so I just plugged it into that. I don't need to have it most of the time. I'm gonna have to clean this up. I got all this stuff's falling down. I got these strips here that have to fit up in there. I don't know if they have to, but yeah, so. And yeah, I've just got it kind of hokey. Just ran those ratchet straps across, but it's not a very heavy light, so whatever, it gets it out of my way down here. I was afraid I was gonna break those bulbs or something, and I think they're T8s, or yeah, T8s I think. So I don't feel like going and buying more of them. It's raining. My beautiful wife was home, so I went and saw her when she got home, and then I thought, well, I better get out here and keep working. Oh well, maybe I better. Right? What do you say, Ian? Shame not to? Would be a shame not to. All right, I'm gonna have a drink of this and then keep working. This is weird. I don't know what this is all from. It's like caked into the brass. I don't know if the bunch of grease or something that got in there. Looks kind of greasy. Yeah, it feels a bit greasy. It's weird, never seen that before. Anyways, just thought I'd mention that. Okay, I just got word that it's supper time. So, I'm going to be done for the day, but this is what I've got done. I got some more magnetrons tore apart, more tools on the wall. Got, not really much, just sorting. I got my, well, you can't really, I guess you can see through there. By the eye, I can't see. Started a new number 2 bin. I got my number 1. Sadly, it's smaller. I still have a whole bunch of stuff to strip and go through and scrap, but so that's going to be it for today. Only the one thing being scrapped out. The rest, I mean, I've been doing scrapping, but just that. Mentally, I'm not doing all that great, so I'm just trying to get something done, and like I feel exhausted. We've been working 11-12 hour days for 6 days straight, and then yeah, today I wanted to sleep in, but I was up at 5 like normal, so no, hopefully I'll get a good sleep tonight and get up early. All right, bye everybody.